We came from Ukraine. I brought from Ukraine my oldest son with him, and I was so happy that he is not there right now. He is not fighting for his land, and he is safe here. And I couldn't imagine I lose my daughter here. It's just a nightmare. What is a monster? Was standing on that bridge and seeing little girl running for her father to hide with him, and he just put his trigger on her. I don't know.